An AI model is alive, it evolves, it drifts, and if you don't keep track of it, it becomes obsolete. Hello, I'm Xanthe, Head of Data and AI Practice at Expleo. In this final episode, we're going to talk about what happens after deployment, because an AI project doesn't end once it's gone live. On the contrary, that's where the real work begins. An AI model is a living system. It evolves, it learns, but it can also drift. As soon as something changes, a new machine, a new behaviour, a new type of data, the model may start getting things wrong. That's exactly what we anticipate with our MLOps approach. A recent case illustrates this perfectly. A client was using visual inspection system to detect dust or scratches on vaccine vials. It worked well until the vials changed shape from square to round. Suddenly, algorithm couldn't recognise the images properly. So we stepped in to audit their system, identify the issue, and adjust the AI computer vision model. That's not the only risk. There's also the technical side. Most models are coded in Python with open source libraries. Some of those libraries become obsolete, others evolve, and if you don't update them, the whole system can break. Think of AI like a living organism. It has a diet, its data, which must remain healthy and relevant. It has a voice, its predictions, which must be heard and understood. And it needs a health record, monitoring, retraining, technical updates. At Expleo, we help our clients implement this health record, ensuring their AI remains reliable day after day. Not just effective on day one, but effective for the long run. Thank you for following this 5-episode series, which sets the foundations for useful, trustworthy, and well-designed AI. And if you're wondering where to start, you know where to find us.